All right, now, so begin this airdrop, you need to take the link. This is my community, but I'll drop the link in the comment section. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this page. If you're using an iPhone or an Android, you choose which of them. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to get the Near wallet. Okay, so to do this airdrop, you need the Near wallet. This is an airdrop that's going to end very soon, and you need to get the least $100 to $1,000 doing this. So click on, for me is Android, so I'll click on Google and I'm going to install it on my device. Okay, so once that is done, I'm now going to show you how to go about this. If you're first time follow me, please guys, subscribe to the channel, turn notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to download this, and once you get started, don't make this mistake. You have Near wallet, create a new wallet. Okay, create a new wallet. Just do it. I'm not going to show you the side where I'm going to put save my seed phrase. Okay, so that's for my personal use. So put in the referral code. Okay, I'll leave, this is my referral code that you need to use. Okay, don't forget to use that. Okay, don't forget to use the referral code. Very, very, very important. So after you've create your account, put the referral code, the seed phrase will be given to you, then you choose your pin. All right, so you choose your pin to get started. It's very, very simple. Anybody can do it. Once it gets started, okay, your wallet is set. You can choose to send Near to your wallet. Okay, those of you who have hot wallets, you can just transfer some Near worth $1 into it. But if you don't have, that's not a problem. They do this airdrop, you need to click on the NPRO. That's where the airdrop is. NPRO. Okay, down here, NPRO, that's what you need to click on. Once you click on it, you're going to see that the first 100k distribution, these are the tags for you to do. Follow them on X, quote a tweet, invite your friends if you don't have anybody, but just and leave a review for them on the app store. Okay, once you do that, there's another one coming up after 12 days, so you need to just follow them on Twitter, repost, which is quote them, and you can invite your friends, and you'll be earning points. Mind you, the points that you have will be given to you as tokens, so accumulate as much as you can. This is my referral code. Now you can share yours, use your referral link, and invite your friends and family. Okay, so this is very, very, very easy to do. Don't miss out on this. This can give you the least $100 to $1,000. You don't want to miss out on this. Okay, if you want to add Near, and make sure you back up your wallets. Okay, you can use this as your Near wallet, those of you who have hot and the rest of it. So it's very, very simple. You can navigate your way around this wallet, okay, and use it just like you're using hot, and you can use it to save. This is not financial advice. Okay, you can see the leaderboard. I'm just getting started. My point is 0. I am about 2 million or so. So you just need this to get started. It's a very cool wallet, very slick to use, and you don't want to miss out on this. My community, you can learn a lot of things. If you're in my Telegram community and WhatsApp channel, you can get a lot of updates about crypto, airdrops that are happening, and updates that can pay you. So I would like you to check the comment section. You see the links to my communities, and don't forget to like and subscribe, turn notification bell. Okay, so I will show you how to earn money on my next video. Don't miss out on this one. Don't miss